Hey everyone, welcome back. So over the last few days, I kept seeing people talk about this Disney Solitaire trick that's supposed to give you a bunch of extra stars and coins without grinding levels forever. TikTok comments, YouTube videos, random posts. It was literally everywhere. Some players were saying it worked instantly, others were calling it fake, so I figured there was only one way to find out. I opened up Disney Solitaire on my phone and decided to test the whole thing myself to see if it actually does what people claim. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, show you exactly what I tried, and at the end, we'll jump back into the game together to see if anything really changed on my account. First, I needed to grab my Disney Solitaire player ID. So I opened the game, tapped into the settings menu, and went over to my profile section. The ID was sitting right there, so it only took a few seconds to find. I copied it to my clipboard because apparently you need it for the next part of the process. Up to this point, everything was actually super easy and didn't take long at all. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but I'm pretty sure any browser would do the job. Then I entered the website people have been talking about recently. The site loaded normally without sending me through a bunch of random pages, which surprised me a little. The layout was straightforward and easy enough to figure out. After that, I went onto the website everyone was recommending and searched for the Disney Solitaire Stars and Coins tool. It popped up in the list almost right away, so I selected it and moved on. Next, I had to pick which device I was playing on. I'm on Android, but I noticed there was an iOS option too for iPhone players. Then I pasted my player ID into the text box, double-checked that I didn't mess anything up, and hit continue. So far, the whole thing felt surprisingly simple and was moving along pretty fast. After that, I had to choose how much of the resource I wanted to add. Since this was supposed to be a real test, I picked one of the higher amounts to see if it would actually make any difference. The site then started showing loading screens and progress animations. It definitely looked convincing, although that alone doesn't really prove anything. Near the end, there was a quick verification step, which is pretty common on sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's get to the important part. This was honestly the moment I was waiting for the whole time. As soon as I finished everything, I jumped back into Disney Solitaire to check my account and see if anything actually changed. And somehow the extra stars and coins were already showing up in the game instantly. No restarting the app, no loading screen tricks, no waiting around for 5 minutes. It was just there right away. I can't lie, I was expecting it to either take forever or not work at all, so seeing it update that fast definitely surprised me. But now you've seen the entire test from beginning to end, so I'll let you decide what you think about it. If you've ever tried one of these Disney Solitaire methods before, let me know in the comments because I'm curious if you got the same results. And if you want more videos where I test random mobile game tricks, hacks, and tools, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.